On June 16, 2022, an officer observed a vehicle exhibiting strange behavior in Madison, Wisconsin. Believing the driver might be impaired, the officer initiated a traffic stop.
Oh, that's the wrong one. 7768 traffic.
The car pulled to the side momentarily, then suddenly started backing up quickly, hitting their squad car and other vehicles.
Stay by.
Upon approach, the officers heard the driver apologizing in a very slurred speech and saying they were just trying to park. The driver was soon identified as a 26-year-old female named Aurora.
A car just backed up into my squad and two other cars. Adam Nora Young, 6808. Adam Nora Young, 6808. Gilman, Gorham, and Pickney.
While speaking with her, the officer detected a strong odor of intoxicants emitting from her vehicle.
Turn off the car.
It's off.
Are you guys injured at all?
We're not. I'm sorry. It was in park. I literally don't know why it was doing that. We have the emergency brake on. I don't know. We had it in park because we saw you coming over. We pulled it in park and it was rolling backwards. He can vouch.
Okay, you just hit a bunch of cars. And
Yeah, we didn't hit any cars.
Yeah, you're crashing into a car right now.
We literally didn't hit.
You hit my car too. You're not going to be able to get out.
I mean, I am going to be able to get out.
No, you will. I'm just saying, I don't think you'll be able to get out, so I'm going to have you stay in right now, okay? So no one's injured?
No one's injured.
Okay.
We're not trying to cause any problem.
I live right up here.
We live around the corner.
I understand. I just have to make sure you guys aren't injured because you're okay.
No, ma'am.
You guys did get an accident. Okay, do you have your driver's license on you? So the reason why I initially stopped you is you came up to this intersection here, and you did a big turnaround and you went facing the wrong way towards me.
You were just trying to do a U-turn.
We're doing a U-turn to get up here. That was literally all we're trying to do.
You just wanted to park.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, that's my wrong. I'm sorry. You said ID. I'm sorry. I'm nervous.
Yep, we'll switch that. Right now I'm just having you guys stay in the car because it's secure here in Rana Hill.
We kind of panicked at the lights. It is a thing. I freaked out at the lights.
As soon as the officer said her vehicle was going to be towed, Aurora became verbally aggressive and uncooperative.
Okay, I'm going to try and figure a way to get everyone out safely. I don't know how bad it is on that side, but you're not going to be able to get out.
I mean, I'm pretty sure we will be able to get out. Honestly, if you'll let us drive, I'm pretty sure we can drive away from this. Will probably be the best thing.
Nope, that's not going to happen.
Well, how's it going to be any better if they tow me away? I'm going to have to get away from this car eventually.
No, I'm just going to have you guys step out of the car, just because I don't know if this car is safe to roll back.
You're going to tow this car over us hitting their mirror? You're going to tow this car over us hitting their mirror?
I'm talking about you exiting the vehicle.
So what I'm asking though is, no, I'm being serious. I'm allowed to ask a cop a question about what we're doing. So I'm not driving this car away.
As of right now, you're not. I'm
Why?
still talking to you.
So you can talk to me. What you're saying is that you want me to get out of the car and not drive my car away. What I would like to do is be able to drive my car away so I can get to work in the morning. Because if you take my car, I will not be able to get.
She's getting pretty verbal, just so you know.
So I'm pretty sure your back tire is also damaged.
Okay, great. So then I can take care of that myself, and you just like get my car away from there. People park it wherever the. I would rather not have you pay for it because I'm not going to be able to afford that. I can already not. No, I'm sorry. I'm freaking out. I cannot afford this. I can't afford the ticket I'm about to get. I cannot afford any of this shit. And the reason I hit their car is because I panicked because the fucking lights were on.
Take it
and now,
easy
no,
for
I'm
me.
freaking out.
I understand. The one in front of it too? But I want to try
So
and
I want to get my car away from here because I'm pretty sure that their car is going to be fine if I can just get the away from here, get to my place. You can do whatever you want. I need to be able to get to work in the morning. Do not tow my car.
Okay, right now I'm not.
So much work for me.
Right now I'm not even talking about that.
No, I can't do this. I'm really freaking. I'm trying not to. I'm freaking out. I cannot do this.
Aurora, I need you to take a breath. Aurora, I need you to take a breath.
Everything is tearing me down. I can't do this. I cannot afford this.
Okay, so I just have to make sure you're safe. Aurora, can you listen to me?
I'm safe. I'm fine.
I understand that. But right now we're standing in the middle of the road.
0, we are still 10-2. The driver is becoming very, very irate, but it's all verbal at this point.
What? What do you need from me?
She then forcefully opened the car door in an effort to run away. At the same time, the 30-year-old female passenger named Julia jumped over the center console of the vehicle and started fighting with the officers.
What do I need to do?
I'm going to have you, with me and my partner, I'm going to have you exit the car.
Let me go!
Both females continued to actively resist as officers attempted to take them into custody. In response to Julia's aggressive and non-compliant actions, a taser was deployed, causing her to immediately collapse.
What are you doing?
Put your hands behind your back! Go now! Behind your back! Ma'am, you got any injuries? Okay. I need you to breathe. Are you hurt anywhere?
Do not kick. You will not kick me, Aurora.
Right now we're okay. We just got to search it. Are we rolling you today?
Aurora, baby, Aurora, baby, let's hold back. Cross your legs and take a breath. Take a breath, baby. I just want to go. No, I'm not injured. I need EMS. I do not need EMS. What I need my baby. I need. Aurora, baby. Aurora, take a breath.
1, 2, 3.
Aurora, take a breath.
All right, I was already floating your way.
Take a breath, baby. It's okay. We're okay, baby. We're okay.
We're just searching you. That's all. We're just searching you. That's it.
Guys! I'm not leaving this alone. Yes! I will talk to you. Pushing me to ground.
Due to Aurora's combative and resistive behavior, a spit hood and leg restraints were placed on her.
That's the leg restraints.
I need leg restraints and I will be colder.
Well, that's not the case right now. Put sit there.
You guys, I'm Guys, I'm not an animal. I'm not going to hurt you guys. Look at me. I'm 130 pounds. You guys, you can do it with your legs straight. Look what you've done to me. You're going to pay for the shit you did to me. Not only am I fucking hypocrite and asshole, I'm going to more trouble. I'm standing up for myself. I'm standing up in space.
Oh, yeah, full squat. Someone's got leg restraints.
Hey, but I'm
Yeah, I'm going to take up deep breaths. Calm down, okay?
Shut the f*** up.
Okay.
Don't tell me you can do deep breaths when you're violating me like this.
Don't worry about the body cam right now. I'll grab it. We'll go there.
Don't I'm asking you. I'll make the back of my police what can I do? Don't put it on me. Please, nobody. I'm taking you over there to bring you straight on my life. What the f*** are you going to do? Do not put it on my face. Do not put it on my face. Do anything on the threat. Do not put it on my face.
Let me know you guys got the...
That's such a f***ing crime. You're not here. I'm not here. I'm not here. I'm not here. I'm not here. You have to do this.
All right.
Let me do this. You're fucking illegal rhythm is doing this. I don't need this guy to be straight. I'm a 130-pound girl.
When you're digging, that's not the case.
I'm digging because I don't think you're being treated like a f***ing animal.
You wouldn't be in restraints if you didn't. If you decided not to relax.
Let me go. You're f***ing cutting up serious
Stop
around.
thrashing around.
Let me go. Stop.
You relax, you get a lot of pain.
I'm relax.
Repeat this out. Hey, listen.
Now. Stop. Listen to me. Nobody's listening to what I said.
As a result of the altercation, an officer sustained minor injuries and was taken to a hospital.
Is this yours?
Yeah. What happened? Just you...
When we took her to the ground, I went down the hill too.
Oh,
and
gotcha.
she was like kicking and screaming, so she definitely kicked a part of my knees.
What's her name? Laura? Hey, Laura. Laura, this is...
My name. You're going to learn my name. If you're going to be like an animal, you're not going to learn my name.
I'm just wanting to see you go to the hospital. So you're fine now?
Yes!
You don't need an ambulance?
No! I'm not an animal. I'm a 26-year-old girl. Fine. You can ask the cop. You can ask the woman I was talking to. I was calm. She asked me to step out of the car. You guys pushed me against my vehicle. And I asked you not to put the car on my head. Throwing and kicking and somebody apparently got their knee hurt. What about this? What about ankles? What about fucking eyes? I just knocked into the car. Not because I beat it off. Nobody removed it from me. I used my tongue to get the hood off. You guys. What the f***? And what are you here for? To protect the people when I said I will cooperate. I asked you to get the hood off.
Okay, sorry.
No, don't say sorry.
Not you, officer. I interrupted what you're saying.
You're criminalizing me. I told you not to do it. I told you not to. I told you not to know that I'm the only not to put the animal. And what that is, you fucking criminalize me. What the fuck? I asked you not to. You're supposed to do it for me. You're supposed to protect us. You acted like I intended. Fuck me. Fuck you trying to protect the people. You. Because I live with people who have your paycheck. So like everybody else. Take me out.
A search of Aurora's car yielded drug paraphernalia, including a one-hitter and a container with some marijuana in it.
Let's see if he'll be Joe first. What's his name? Her name?
I really am trying to do good. I really am.
Hi.
I mean this from the bottom of my heart.
I understand. Let's start over, okay? My name's Officer Shaw. What's your name?
I'm Julius.
Julius. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. No, I identify him, her. How do you identify?
He is him.
He is him?
Thank you for asking.
Okay. All right. So here's what's going to happen right now, okay? We're going to move you to a different squad, okay? Because right now you're in the back of the city squad, and we're UW officers. We're going to move you over to a different vehicle. We're going to have to get you out of handcuffs and get you in some of our handcuffs to do that. Are you going to cooperate as we do that?
I will cooperate. I want the best.
So here's what's going to happen. Okay, so we're going to do that process first. Once we get you into that vehicle, I'm going to explain the next steps as to what happens now, okay? But I want some cooperation so that we can move you over to that vehicle so that we don't have to have any more tussling. Okay?
I'm not going to fight.
Because I'm very tired, okay?
I am too.
Okay, so sit tight for 1 second.
I want the best for y'all. I want the best for me. I want for the best.
And you know what? I believe that completely.
I really
right?
do. I really do.
From here on out, let's just treat this like we're starting over, and let's be cooperative the rest of the time, okay?
You have my cooperation.
Okay. Why don't you step on out of the vehicle?
Yes, sir.
Go ahead and separate your feet a little bit more, widen your stance. So we're going to put you in more handcuffs, okay? Thank you. We're going to walk you over to a different vehicle, okay? Thank you guys for letting us use your squad. We appreciate it.
Laura! You okay? Yes! Did you let me out here?
You were driving the squad, correct? And so you guys did a traffic stop on this vehicle. It sideswipes the car that it's next to right now.
No, it's actually up there.
Oh.
And it
Rolled that? Or
it sideswiped. She put it in reverse, hit my squad. I reversed it.
Yeah, to try and get back.
And then she hit, I think, multiple of these cars.
The reason you're in handcuffs right now is because when we attempted to detain the driver of the vehicle, you stepped out of the car in what I would interpret as a combative manner. I understand you're probably just trying to protect your friend, but as I understand it, you were not complying with orders from the other officers, and that resulted in you being tased. Okay, that's the reason you're in handcuffs. Okay, because they gave you lawful orders.
I honestly don't think they did give me specific direction.
You did that! Get back!
Why? What are you doing?
Okay, well, again, that's something that
I may have misinterpreted.
Okay.
I really may have.
I'm just explaining from the officer's perspective. That's why you're in handcuffs right now, okay? So here's what's going to happen, all right? As we're, in a couple of minutes, we're kind of going through taking care of the car, clearing some paperwork. You are going to be booked into the Dane County Jail for a charge of resisting, okay?
But did I resist?
Stop resisting!
What are you doing?
According to these officers, you did, okay? You were given lawful commands to, I'm assuming, get on the ground. You did not do so. They tased you, okay? So
They literally did not. They tased me before I got any command. They didn't. They tased
so the
me
good news, the good thing about this all is
there is no good news.
is that you can argue your case in court, okay? And you are welcome to hire an attorney, and you can argue your case in
I
court.
don't have
okay?
money to hire.
If you can't afford an attorney, one will be appointed to you. We'll go from there, okay? Thank you.
Oh, what the fuck? I'm taking my car to take anything. Let me fucking tell him not to pretend I'm not. Let me sit on the car, please. Please let me sit on the car. Please let me sit on the car. Please let me sit on the car. I'm trying to calm down, and it's not letting me already.
I'll take care of him. I'll take him to the jail. I'll do that. I just, real quick, because you were on him, so, like, what did you say?
I was the one who tased him.
Yeah, I get that. Like, what did you say to him? He gets out of the car, blah, 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 like, get away. He engages with you guys. Like, what was the...
Officer Sander was telling him to stop resisting, get on the ground, get on the ground, get on the ground. They go, rest on the ground, he gets back up.
While inside the squad car, she continued her obnoxious behavior and was able to slip one cuff off.
What? You have control over your ass. I do, and I fucking calmed my shit down and you didn't let me out.
Aurora, my name's Officer Connie, but I'm with QWP, okay? I'm gonna talk to you for a second, so you slipped the cuffs, we're gonna have to fix that, okay? So that means the officers are gonna have to help you, okay?
Be my way to the arms, stop, let me out of this car! Please! Someone be on my fucking team, let me out of a bus! All I have is to get out of a bus!
We have to fix
Cut my hands, stop like that, no, come here,
There's gotta be some backup.
I can't go!
I can't let go.
Get out of the car! Can I get out of this car? Please let me get out of the car! I'm gonna let me out of the car!
I can't promise you.
Just no! Let me stop restraining me like
Hands off, okay? That's step one, okay? Work with the officers, you're gonna get this right?
Jesus, let me stay outside the bus car, guys, please don't put me in a box, 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 don't put me in a box. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Fuck that. Put me on the fucking curb, put me on the street, anywhere, but in that country. I'm asking calmly. I'm trying to something else so your feet aren't restrained. I don't want my feet, I don't want to be restrain my feet, restrain my arms, put me on the curb. Restrain my feet and restrain my arms, put me on the curb. What am I going to do?
Alright, it's just not going to happen.
Why?
It's not safe for you.
Why?
Outside of the vehicle.
That's fucking bullshit, guys. So it's not safe, it's put me in the wrong. Notice that I'm calmer now and able to talk to you more calmly now than I was in that car. You want me to calm down? I'm not going to come down in the back of that car. Put me on the fucking curb. Tell me to fucking leave. I'll grab one. Why you put me in that car? No, tell me the reason why I'm allowed to know why I'm going to jail. Why? Educated member of society who's never had any priors, has no threat to society. The only threat I pose was the officer who put me on the ground to put me on the ground. I'm not a threat to society. Get your priorities straight, you fucking cops.
We're going to get you out of the car now. Are you going to be cool with me? I'm going to have you step up this way, this wall, the yellow wall.
Prior to taking the intoximeter test at the jail, Aurora was belligerent and kept yelling and talking over the officers.
So an hour, and you're going to reserve me in the back of your car for an hour, and you guys sit here for 20 minutes to watch me, to make sure what? To test me if I've been on drugs or alcohol, which is what you arrested me for, which nobody tested me for when I got arrested. You literally have no reason to arrest me because the reason I was arrested was for resisting arrest. And when I was asked for why I was arrested in the first place, I was told it was for driving under the influence. Nobody checked me for driving under the influence. Nobody did anything to me. No one read me my rights. No one did anything to me. All you did was put some cuffs on me, throw me to the ground, tie my feet, put me in the back of your car. I'm not on drugs or in alcohol, so fine, watch me for 20 minutes. So watch, well, I sit here for 20 minutes just being pissed off because that's what I am.
That is okay. I just have to watch you for 20 minutes.
Put that away. You don't have that out for me.
I have to look inside your mouth. So I just have to use a flashlight. Go ahead and lift your tongue up. Okay, you can go ahead and close your mouth and relax. I'm just doing my job.
Yeah, I know you are, but your job's fucked. So I'm glad you feel that way yourself to being a police officer, but you guys are not here for us. You're not trained for us. And I'm sure you're a good person. I'm sure you are. And I'm sure you've gotten to this job to do some good. The system's fucked. You're not here for me. I am not in danger. I'm not a problem. I'm like, this could have been a ticket and send me on my way. Tow my car, fine, send me on my way. Don't tell me it was because of me that I ended up here. That's fucking bullshit. Excuse me, when am I supposed to be read my rights?
Shortly after this.
What the fuck is that?
It means we'll do this first and then we'll read you your rights.
Yeah, I know, I get that. That's ridiculous.
Okay. Well, that's how the
Aren't you supposed to read them when you get arrested?
No.
So I don't have to be, you can arrest me without telling me why I'm being arrested or reading my rights or anything. I can sit in your car for over an hour without being told why or read my rights. The reason I was arrested was not explained to me how I've been sitting in the back of the car for an hour. Nobody read my rights. You started to read my rights. You shook your head at her. So you clearly don't know what's going on.
Did you give us an opportunity?
Yes, I did. I was sitting in the back of your car quiet for an hour.
Are you sure?
Yes.
You're still yelling right now.
Yes, because I'm mad now.
Exactly.
I have every right to be mad at you guys. Nobody read me my rights. Nobody told me why I was being arrested, and I'm here. Yes, I'm mad. I'm allowed to be mad. It's not illegal to be mad. It's not illegal to yell at you. It's not illegal to yell at you.
Well, you're yelling over.
Yes, I'm yelling at you, and it's not illegal to yell at you. I can yell at you. Walk away. Okay. Or stand there and look at me fine, but I'm going to yell at you because it's not illegal to yell at you. I'm mad, and I'm allowed to be mad. You guys did not follow my rights. And if you did, fine. It's a fucked up system. It doesn't actually give a shit about me. Nobody told me why I was here. So I've been sitting in the back of your car with my hands and legs down for an hour. I'm arrested for driving intoxicated. Nobody tested me for shit. How can you prove that? Nobody tested me. What is this doing? I'm sitting here in a room yelling at you. You can say I'm belligerent, you can say I'm intoxicated because I'm yelling at you. I can do that sober. Trust me. Trust me.
Well, if you allow us to talk.
I've been sitting for how long and nobody's telling me anything?
You're not allowing us to tell you.
I've been quiet for over an hour. And I start asking questions, and now you're yelling at me because I'm yelling at you because no one's fucking talking to me. You always make it back on me. That's all you want out there. Thank you.
Am I yelling at you?
No, I'm yelling at you because I said you're sitting here acting like I am preventing you from doing your job. No, you just didn't do your job. You just didn't do it. I was quiet for how fucking long?
I'm done talking to you.
Great, walk out.
Okay, no. I'm here for her safety too.
Great. What am I gonna fucking do in here? What are you guys so afraid of? Look at me. What the fuck am I doing to yell at you? Sorry it scares you. I'm here. I clearly have no rights or say here and anything happens because it's my right against your guys. So you can say anything the fuck you want and I'm just screwed. So do what you want. I'm mad. I'm pissed at you guys. Put whatever you need to on paper. Okay. I'm not intoxicated. I'm pissed. Is what I am, and I have every right to be.
Okay, all right, when you're ready, take that deep breath. After this, run it through. Long and steady. Go.
The test provided a result of 0.07, approximately 2.5 hours after the initial stop.
Have you been drinking?
2 drinks, 3 drinks.
It also will be for the charges that you're booked in on. Again, it's OWI, first offense, and resisting causing injury.
How do I still have OWI if I was illegal that I've tested?
So I still have probable cause to arrest you for OWI. You're not going to be getting a PAC citation, which is saying that you're over the .08 that you're speaking of. So they come together. So those two citations usually come together. You're only getting the OWI. So usually PAC, which is prohibited alcohol concentration, which is the .08 you're talking about, and OWI typically go together. You're not getting the prohibited alcohol concentration because at this time you were not an 07. Or you were not an 08, you were an 07. And then there'll be traffic citations in there as well.
Aurora was charged with felony battery threat to an officer and misdemeanor resisting obstructing an officer. 4 months later, Aurora was found guilty for her resisting charge and will be referred to a deferred prosecution program. The other charge was dismissed on the prosecutor's motion. She also received several citations totaling over $1,600. However, all the citations were eventually dropped too on the prosecutor's motion, except for the OWI first offense citation. Lastly, Julia was charged with misdemeanor resisting obstructing an officer and pleaded no contest, thus being considered guilty.